the Nujoma Multi-Purpose Center, a key community development initiative of the Ongwendiva Town Council, is dedicated to addressing the diverse social and developmental needs of the local community. In alignment with the vision of the late President Nujoma, the center has been instrumental in transforming lives through various programs designed for vulnerable groups. Today, we are joined by Madam Loini Iyambo, the center coordinator, to discuss the programs, the impact, and how the legacy of Nujoma continues to inspire and shape the future of Ongwendiva. She now joins us on the line. Loini, good afternoon, and thank you so much for joining us.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And yourself?
I'm good.
Well, to start with, can you share how the Nujoma Multi-Purpose Center came into existence, firstly, and its connection to the vision of the late President Nujoma?
All right. Thank you for the opportunity for us to be able to add to the nation. The Nujoma Multi-Purpose Center was established in 2002 during the leadership of Honorable Minister Erastus Utoni, the former mayor of Ongwendiva, Mr. Damian Ewumbo, the CEO of Ongwendiva Town Council, and Ms. Albertina Ndengu, who was the former center coordinator. Now, before the establishment, an impact assessment was conducted at the time, and it highlighted the need to empower the people of Ongwendiva by addressing key aspects such as education, social health, and developmental needs. Now, recognizing this, Ongwendiva Town Council, in collaboration with other sister municipalities like Aldui and Lomel in Beju, the U.S. Department of Defense and Oceania Regional Authorities, and the local community at large came together to establish the center in 2002. To further go on how the late founding President Dr. Nujoma have played a significant role in developing or in the development of Ongwendiva community and contributed immensely to the town's progress. We have highlighted that his strong belief in education and community empowerment was a driving force behind this local initiative. It was also picked up that he was an attendee of Ongwendiva Annual Trade Fair during and after his tenure, and in recognition of his hard work and lasting contribution, the Ongwendiva leadership decided to name the center in his honor, and thus the Nujoma Multi-Purpose Center was born. Now, when it was named in his name, in most cases, when he met with the leadership of the town, he would always inquire about the center, whether it's still in existence, is it operational, how about the children, because the first program that was established at the center was the Bright Future After School program that was serving orphans, or that still continues to serve orphans and vulnerable children. And he was very supportive of the idea, and I would say he was a regular visitor at the center. Maybe just to further elaborate that the center was constructed into 2 phases, of which phase 1 was inaugurated in April the 11th in 2003 by His Excellency, the late founding President, Dr. Nujoma, and in July 18, 2005, he again inaugurated the phase 2 because the first phase was the hall, or let me say, the community hall, and then the second phase is where now people are operating as an office. Today, the Nujoma Multi-Purpose Center continues to uphold its mission of serving the community, and it remains as a welcoming hub for people of all ages by providing training opportunities, health education, and programs that addresses various community needs. And the center stands as a testament to Dr. Nujoma's vision, a place where empowerment, education, and development thrive for generations to come.
Thank you so much. Well, I would just quickly want to touch on the programs that you briefly highlighted. Now, the center offers several programs, such as the behavior change communication program, and then the Bright Future After School program that you touched on also. But can you explain how these initiatives, these programs, are really making a difference, in the community?
All right, thank you. Just to highlight, development in any community thrives when its members are healthy and when they are informed and empowered. Now, at the Nujoma Multi-Purpose Center, we have recognized that education, health awareness, and social support are key to achieving a lasting progress. As you mentioned earlier, the Behavioral Change Communication Program focuses on health and social concern. This is because in the past, many community members were in denial, especially regarding the HIV. And through community health awareness sessions, we have created a safer space for open discussion. And I would testify that now most individuals now understand where to access the social health services and how to make proactive steps towards their healthier lifestyle. And the program has positively influenced behavior change, contributing to healthier and more informed community. I would further go on with the Bright Future After School program. This is a unique initiative that operates 3 days in a week, and it was designed to support orphans and vulnerable children in various aspects of their lives. And this, I would repeat to say, this was the most supported initiative by the founding father. Now, in this case, we have registered orphans and vulnerable children to ensure that they stay in school. We provide them with health support, psychosocial services, and help in obtaining national identity documents because some of them do not have parents. This is just to ensure also that they have access to resources. And many children come from child-headed households or guardians that are caring for 10 or more than children in one home. So the Ongwendiva Town Council supports these families now through the Nujoma Multi-Purpose Centers program to help alleviate their burden and create opportunities for a brighter future. But I still want to continue with one key component on the Bright Future After School program is the soup kitchen that we provide to these children. And for many of these children, this meal is a lifeline by providing them with, I would say, nutritional to grow and stay healthy. We have registered some children that were malnourished, but then now, as over time goes, we have witnessed the remarkable improvements either in their health or physical development and academic performances.
Well, Loini, I can tell that you're very passionate about the Bright Future After School program. So tell us a bit about, some of the success stories that have come from this program.
There are two key that I would want to highlight. I would say over the years, the Bright Future After School program have transformed lives of many overseas, and one of it was a child who found her father through the Bright Future After School program. How? In our communities, there are individuals who are committed to support these needy people. And one such person was a medical aid doctor from one of our local hospitals in the north who regularly donates school supplies. Now, as part of this process, we shared a list of children who are benefiting from the program, and he came across a child with his surname, and he became curious. Now, he decided to inquire further, and after engagement, he discovered that this child was his biological daughter, a child that he thought he will never knew or he will never meet this child ever again. I think this unexpected discovery reunited a father and a daughter, and proving that the center is not only a place of support, but also of life-changing connection.
Yeah. Well, as the coordinator at the center, Loini, what are some of the most fulfilling aspects of your work there?
Working at the center as a center coordinator has been an incredible journey, or rewarding journey, I would say so. And it has filled with vital moments that I have taken up in my life. Some that have truly stood out for me is the power of teamwork. One thing that amazed me the most is the team spirit at the center. Our staff members and volunteers are the true thrives of our activities, and they ensure that those who are in need receive the support that they deserve. Another that have stood out for me is the commitment of Ongwendiva Town Council. Despite the financial challenges, Ongwendiva Town Council remains deeply committed to ensure that the center continues to thrive, and their dedication to honor the legacy of the late founding president is inspiring, because this ongoing support has helped transform countless lives within the community and beyond. Maybe another that I could highlight is also, I don't want to forget the support that we receive from individuals and companies at large, because at times we may feel that the center is not widely recognized, but you are surprised to see that people appreciate the work they do, and they keep on donating, either financially or in kind.
Loini, the Sam Nujoma Multi-Purpose Center works with various governmental as well as non-governmental organizations. Talk to us about how these partnerships contribute to the success of the center's initiatives.
These collaborations have been really instrumental towards the Sam Nujoma Multi-Purpose Center, because it's through this partnership that we were able to receive funding and construct the Sam Nujoma Multi-Purpose Center, and ensuring that it remains a sustainable facility that is serving the public. Currently, I would proudly say we have established a mini library that has become an important educational resource, mostly to students and learners, and it's the only mini library that we have within our community. These non-governmental organizations have also brought an opportunity for us to be able to improve the living standards of Ongwendiva community, including orphans and individuals that are living with chronic illnesses, and reach out to more people with life-changing services in all aspects of life.
Looking to the future, what are some of the long-term goals and aspirations for the center, particularly, of course, in sustaining the legacy of Dr. Sam Nujoma?
All right. As we look ahead, the Sam Nujoma Multi-Purpose Center remain committed to ensure that the legacy of the late founding president continues to inspire and uplift the future the future generation. Now, how are we perceiving this? We are looking forward to hosting events in honor of Dr. Sam Nujoma by celebrating his contributions to different aspects of life, be it in education, because that was his key, and also social development. We are also looking forward to documenting and sharing stories of impact from the center to keep his vision and values alive in future generations. And one that have came out is at least to establish a Dr. Sam Nujoma Leadership and Development Program that aim at mentoring young leaders in community development and governance.
Lastly, Loini, in your opinion, how can the wider community, contribute to the success of the Sam Nujoma Multi-Purpose Center and support the local programs that have been put in place there?
All right, thank you. The Sam Nujoma Multi-Purpose Center is more than just a facility, because it's a community-driven movement for positive change. And for the success of the center, the community perhaps can contribute in volunteering their time and skills to support the after-school program that we have, mentor youth, because it's the center where all the youth thrive, and offer training in such areas of entrepreneurship and perhaps life skills. And we will still be looking forward for donations and sponsorship of programs where I think community members can contribute financially or in kind just to support the initiative like the Bright Future After School program and specifically the soup kitchen that we give there. Also to partner with the same Nujoma Multi-Purpose Center where we are anticipating that businesses, NGOs, and institutions can collaborate on corporate social responsibility. However, in summary, I would say with collective support, we can ensure that Dr. Sam Nuyoma's legacy lives on and continue to uplift the generation to come. And this can only be done if together we can build a stronger, healthier, and a more empowered community.
Loini, we appreciate your time this evening. Thank you so much for speaking to us.
I'm very grateful. Thank you.